If your GMC Acadia is dead or clicking when you turn the key, common electrical gremlins are likely the cause. Nearly half of all starting issues on this platform trace back to simple battery or connection failures. Let's walk through the systematic process to find exactly where your electrical flow is breaking down. Start with the basics by verifying battery health and ensuring your ground straps are tight and clean. Beyond the battery, the starter solenoid and the ignition switch are the most frequent hardware failures. If your battery dies overnight, a faulty liftgate module is often the hidden drain on your Acadia. If a jump start gets you moving, focus on the battery. If it does nothing, inspect the starter or fuses. Repair costs vary widely, ranging from a simple battery swap to more expensive module replacements. For complex issues, use an OBD-I scanner to check for communication codes between the vehicle's computers. A basic multimeter and a wire brush are your best friends when tackling these electrical gremlins. Remember, always clean your connections before you start buying expensive replacement parts. Troubleshooting electrical issues takes patience, but these steps will help you find the fix and save money.